So here I'm going to do an example where you're given the sample mean and the sample standard deviation, as well as a number on the x-axis that you would like to convert to a z. So the first thing I'll do is I will go to StatCrunch, select Stat, Calculators, Normal. I can still use this. My mean in this example is 100. My standard deviation is 15. And I'd like to know what the probability is that the number would be less than 130. I click Compute. Now the first thing I'd like to do is save this probability because I'd like to convert this to a z-score. So I'm going to highlight it, copy it, then I'll get rid of it. I'll convert this back to a standard normal with a mean of 0 and a standard deviation of 1. Now here is where I'd like to convert this 130 to a z-score, so I'll let the computer do that. Take that out, and I'll put this probability right back in there because that corresponds to the same probability as under the distribution as represented with those x's. I compute, and my z-score is now 2. If I go back to this example, the z-score corresponding to x equals 130 is z equals 2. And then you can read here that the shaded region corresponds to the shaded region in the original data set. And this we had already calculated. Again, we get greater accuracy with the technology than we would in the table. The table would have produced 0.9772. We have an additional degree of accuracy with 4987 to the right.